Hey guys, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So I'm not sure who saw it the other day, but I posted a picture on my Instagram page of a 1960 Cadillac four-window sedan, also known as the flat top. By the way, if you guys are not on my Instagram, I'll put the information below in the video. Please go on there and hit follow so you guys can see everything I post on there. Anyway, I bought the car, and it was kind of another situation where the guy was cleaning out his yard and he's like, I need all these old cars. He had a bunch of them gone. So I'm like, I will take the Cadillac. He only had one Cadillac, and I'm like, I want it. So it's the 1960 Cadillac four-window sedan, a little bit more rare than the six-window sedan. There was only 9,225 of them produced in 1960. So they have the really cool, wicked I'm tongue-tied again, wrap-around back window. And I love them. I drove one daily for a couple years in my teens. I'll post a video, I'll post a picture in the end of this video of my flat top so you guys can see it. I absolutely adored that car. It just drove amazing. It was so much fun, so different. Like I said, they're pretty rare, and this one is really nice. Unfortunately, it is missing the original motor and trans out of it, so it's literally like a clean slate. You guys can either find another 390 to drop in it, which is the original factory style motor for that year, or you guys could do like an LS swap, or maybe like a 500 Cadillac motor if you want to keep it Cadillac. I've had a bunch of friends do the LS swap. I'm kind of old school. I prefer to keep them with the original motors, but I've had other friends do it, and it just kind of updates everything, makes them drive like a new car. So that's an option. But like I said, you're literally starting with a blank slate. It is not rusty. It was a Nevada car. So it literally has like one little tiny, I think, quarter-size spot of rust in the lower rear door. And you know me, I will do a complete walk-around video, lots and lots of photos when I actually go to list the car for sale. But just for starters, we're going to get it here, clean it up. I'm going to take all the old, nasty, original carpet out of it, clean the floors, wire brush them. You guys can see all the floors. They're really, really nice. No cancer, no rot, nothing like that. So we're just going to get it here, clean it up really good so that everybody knows exactly what they're getting. But if you are interested in possibly wanting to buy the car, I will put my email in the bottom of this video so you guys can drop me a line and say, hey, I'm interested, or I want more information, or just whatever. Ask me any questions you guys possibly have. I am here for you. So anyway, I wanted to tell you guys about the new kid on the block coming in. So I'm going to post some still pictures of it in the end of this video, and I'll just do a voiceover describing what you guys are looking at so you can kind of get a feel for it. So let's get started on that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let's keep those old caddies on the road and out of the junkyards. All right, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. So here you'll see the hood is actually not on its hinges. So that's why that looks that way. There's a good full length of it. Like I said, just immaculately clean, not rusty, very nice. Another side shot. We're going to be scotch-brightening the body just to clean it up a little bit, see what we've got. There's a picture of it when it's not wet. The chrome looks to be in really good shape. All that surface rust should clean off. The inside definitely needs to be, as I said, gutted with the carpet out of it, things like that. There's my baby. And another picture of me with my baby. I was so proud of that car. I absolutely loved it. Drove it for years. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Drop me an email if you're interested. Have a blessed day.